How to apply to be a Canva creator. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily apply to be a Canva creator or how you can register for Canva creator. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's guide you through. First things first, what you can do is simply go ahead and head into your browser and search in for Canva Creator, as I've done so on the screen. Once you do so, you can see the very first link that is Canva Creators. You can simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see it says create for a marketplace like no other. Become a Canva creator. So you can tap on become a creator right there, and it will take you to the registration page. First, you want to select what content will you be creating. As you can see, you can select templates, elements, education, resources. So I'll just select templates here, then tap on apply and go ahead with the prompts, and you should be able to apply. So if I tap on apply, as you can see here, it'll ask you to choose the account here, whether you want to do it for the team or you want to make a personal account, and go ahead through the prompts and you'll be good to go. So this is how you can easily apply for Canva Creator. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.